Hi everyone, I've got a VW Passat here, CC. Just came in for a bulb change. You can see that warning light right there, and if you look on the dash here, it says check front left turn signal, and as well as if I press down on this here, you can see it says check rear right side light, and that's it. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how the side light's done on this one. I've checked the back, I've checked the front indicator, which is working. I don't know why the fault's there. Well, I will check that a bit later, but before I do anything, I'm just going to show you how to replace the side light. On these ones, it's quite a simple procedure, and the bulb that you'd need is a capless bulb, which is an RB955. Now to see it, if you look on the inside here, so you've got a bulb on that side, bulb on this side. If I shut the boot, now you can see 1, 2, the third one's not working, and 4 is working. On this side here, you got 1, 2, 3 and 4, all 4 are working. So to replace it, all you do is you've got a cover on the back, remove the cover, it won't come out all the way, and then you've got a clip on this which I need to push in. See on the inside here, that's the clip. So I need to push the clip in and then gently take this out. The whole thing's out. This is the bulb that needs replacing. Like I said, it's a capless bulb. It's a special bulb. Put the new one in. That's the new one right there. And there's only one way these would go. And obviously I've tried it while the bulbs were lit. I don't want you trying this at home yourself, so make sure you switch the lights off if you're doing it, and then same procedure, slot the whole thing back in and gently push the cluster in till it clips. That's done. I'll switch, close the boot. Now you see, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a Passat CC on a 2010-2011 model. Thank you very much. Any more information, please do let us know. Goodbye.